Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day. GameStop in all the headlines and just craziness. And now that, in other words, a lot of people are watching this. And now that the dust has settled, there's a couple of key levels here that a lot of people are going to be watching. So I don't want to come across like either of these price levels are some sort of great talent that I have or some sort of special skill. Nothing like that. I assure you, like I said, people that use charts, understand charts, are watching them. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can certainly produce some very dynamic movements. And the first level here that a lot of people are going to be watching, and rightfully so, it makes perfect sense, is down there at that $65 mark. You can see that this was basically where the crazy pullback stopped. And mid-afternoon, the price did spend quite a bit of time there before, producing the bounce to the upside. So what I'm getting at here is that nothing's guaranteed, of course, but it's more than reasonable. It's more than a rational thought that if the price were to come back down to 65 and then break down below it, that break could really well create that much more downside selling pressure. So 65 is going to be one of those areas that a whole bunch of people are watching. And if 65 is broken, then I don't think anyone would be shocked to see the price go down to that $54 mark, if not even lower than that. But those are going to be the two main areas of support. And then on the flip side of things, as far as the level that I think every breakout play and their brother's uncle is going to be watching, is right up here at that $85 mark. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but it's more than reasonable to think that if the price can work its way up to 85 and get the break up through it, that break could very well create some good upside buying pressure. Now, I'm not saying then send it back up to 150, but at least still make it a worthwhile breakout trade, with the next key level of resistance not being until up there around the 103 mark. So keep your eye on these technical levels moving forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.